Hello Year 1, this is Mr. Smith, and this is your literacy lesson for Thursday the 14th of January. To start with, I'd like you to write down the capital letter of each of these four letters. If you need to pause the video, you can do it now. And let's have a look at your answers. Capital U, capital H, capital K, and capital O. Now I'd like you to write a sentence. Can you remember to include a capital letter and a full stop? Jack stole the magic hen and ran down the beanstalk. Can you remember where the capital letter and full stop go? Pause the video if you need to and write your sentence. Now let's have a look at your answer. Capital letter at the start of a sentence, and for Jack's name, Jack stole the magic hen and ran down the beanstalk, and a full stop at the end. Orange and yellow grip, you're going to do your spellings today. Your spelling rule is the oo sound. So we've got look, foot, cook, wood, hook, hood, zoo, boot, hoof, food, and roof. This is the same for yellow grip as well. Can you write all your spellings, and then could you write a sentence using some of these spellings? Green and blue grip, you're going to improve your sentences. Can you remember to include a capital letter and a full stop? Can you do them in your neatest handwriting? You can write these into your book. We're still looking at our story of Jack and the Beanstalk, and we're trying to sequence the events and put them in the right order. First, next, then, last. Once you've listened to the story again, if you need to, try and retell it to someone. And can you remember all the parts and the order in which they go? Is there a favourite part of the story? Our skill is to sequence a story. Listen to the story, retell using the main parts, and then put the events in order. If you need to reread the story, you can pause the video now. Red group, it's your turn to sequence the story. You need to cut out the 6 pictures, put them in the correct order, and then write a sentence to describe what's happening in each picture. You can stick the pictures into your book and write the sentences underneath. And this week our creative task has been to draw your favourite part or favourite character from the story and to label it. If you haven't done it yet this week, you can do it today. So orange and yellow grip are doing their spelling rule. Green and blue grip are improving their sentences. Red group are sequencing the story. And anyone who's not yet done their creative task can do it today. Thank you, Year 1, and I'll talk to you again next week. Don't forget for your mums and dads to bring your books back to school at 10 o'clock on Friday and change them for next week's books. Okay, goodbye.